ready. 5 seconds. Start. Deputy Commissioner of Haryana's NU, Dhirendra Kagra, has said that no demolition activity in the area was carried out without following the procedure of law. Stop. He further said that while removing encroachments unauthorized constructions, the government never adopted pick and choose policy, and that too on the basis of caste, creed or religion. Stop para. The statement comes in the suo motu case initiated by the Punjab and Haryana High Court against the demolition drive conducted earlier this month. Stop. Answering to court's apprehension on targeting of a particular community by demolishing the properties, the DY Commissioner in his counter affidavit said the state government, while collecting such information on encroachment, does not collect any information with regard to caste, creed and religion. As for the government, all encroachers are dealt with in the same manner. Stop. The demolition was the routine measures taken by the independent local authorities against the owners of illegal structures, and that too after following the due process. The reply stated. Stop. As per reports received from various departments with respect to demolition drive in their respective areas, the total structures demolished were 443, of which 162 were permanent and 281 were temporary. Stop stanza. Similarly, the numbers of persons affected from the demolition drive were 354, of which 71 were Hindus and 283 were Muslims, stated Kagra. Stop. The reply further stated that the demolition proceedings were carried out by the Municipal Council F. Firozpur Jirkha on 6 August 2023 at Dhobi Ghat Municipal Council Land, Shir Mandir Road. Stop. Before demolishing the structures, notices regarding the same were issued on 8 May 2023 as per the order dated 1 February 2022 of the Collector Panhana and Firozpur Thirka under the Punjab Public Premises Act 1972. Stop para. The total number of temporary and permanent structures removed was 25 and 34 respectively. Stop. Total number of persons affected was 34, out of which 6 belongs to the Hindu community and 28 to the Muslim community, it added. Stop. The 26-page reply further gives the details on the demolitions that took place at various places in NU in August. Stop. The demolition proceedings were carried out at 38 locations by the district, town and country planners NU, and due procedure of law was followed while carrying out the demolition drive. Stop. It is pertinent to mention that here that the Department of Town and Country Planning has detected unauthorized constructions in the form of shops, masjid, foundations of structures at DPC's level. The reply stated. Stop. It states that complaints were received in 2016 from the Director SHKM GMC Nalhar Mewat regarding unauthorized construction along roadside leading to Municipal Medical College Nalhar, and another complaint in 2020 from Vipin Jain, Standing Council, Government of India, District and Sessions Court NU, addressed to the Prime Minister seeking removal of unauthorized construction along roadside leading to Medical College Nalhar. Stop. The suo motu case was initiated a day after the demolition drive by a bench comprising Justice G.S. Chandwalia and Harpreet Kaur Jeevan, and the demolition drive was stayed stop. The court had also questioned the state on whether stop stanza